Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Conlin, and today we are going to make healthy, vegan, gluten-free brownies. I already have most of my ingredients measured out, so I'm going to go through what we're going to use with you here. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of cooked sweet potato. I've already cooked and pureed it, and that's going to act as our base. Sweet potato puree takes the place of the flour in our original brownie recipe. We're also going to mix it with 1/4 cup of almond flour. When you mix sweet potato puree with almond flour, it gives the brownies structure. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of almond butter. We use this in place of eggs, which acts as a binder in our recipe. Instead of refined granulated sugar, we're going to use maple syrup. We're going to use 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup. We're going to also add in a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon each of baking soda and baking powder, which are our leavening agents, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, which we're going to spread throughout the recipe and also sprinkle on top. And instead of melted chocolate, we're going to use 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Let's start by adding our sweet potato puree, our almond flour, our almond butter. I'm using a rubber spatula to scrape the sides of all of my ramekins to make sure I get all the ingredients that I've measured out. Next, we'll add in our maple syrup, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and just a pinch of salt. I'm literally going to pinch it and pop it in there. We're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, and olive oil contains healthy fats. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And we're going to stir in about half of our chocolate chips and reserve the other half for the top. Now I've already prepared a 9x9 baking dish with parchment paper. If you want to make this even more healthy, you can use dark chocolate chips. Dark chocolate has a lot of antioxidants in it. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips because that's what I have in the house. Now we're going to pop this in the oven and wait for our amazing healthy brownies.